golly gee willikers, guys. Look how big this sandhill is today. We're trying to see if we can climb it with the good old TRX-4. It is bogging down. Whoa. We gotta get some speed going here if we want to make it up. There we go. Look at that. We made it. Barely. But it's making it. But that's just one of them. There's 4. That's not good. To give her some gas. Come on, baby, fight. There we go. Oh yeah. Virgin sand. Oh, there's a little jump there. Come on. Yeah. These tires work very well for this. I say that and then get stuck. Without speed, could we climb it in crawl gear? Not even getting up. Oh, come on. I know you want to get up there. Come on, TRX. I bet the paddles would do wonderful. Oh, it's hard pack. Hard pack. Make it. This is a little one here. Whoa. How did I manage to do that? This thing crawls pretty good in the sand. We got a virgin hill here. Never seen a Bronco do that, huh? Almost. All right, no lock. Oh yeah. Love the way she was fighting right there at the end. Let's get another run up over here. Here we come back up the hill, and here comes Nick. Little baby horn. No. All sandy.